Insurance is just a promise. And if I can make good on that promise, then that's everything. June the 29th, 2012 was the most challenging day I've ever had in the insurance business. The storm went through late afternoon. This was not just, I have a few shingles missing from my roof. I've got a tree through my roof. We had 108 claims out of a storm that lasted about 15 minutes. That's an unbelievable number of claims. So on that Saturday morning, I went into my office at 3:30 a.m. to check on things, to organize myself for the next day. I thought, well, we've got to wait till Monday to get much activity going on this. They were able to get out right away. They were able to assess damage. They dispatched people immediately to my area. I don't know how they did it, because really it was a storm that was all throughout the state of Ohio.
When a big event comes through, we send out catastrophe adjusters. We're usually the first ones on the scene. Sometimes we're there before the storm hits. Our agents are very important to us. We don't know if they'll have 12 claims or 118 claims tomorrow, but we're going to get people on the ground as fast as we can to help service that agent and in turn their clients.
You've got to have a partner. You've got to have an insurance company that can deliver. I was so impressed with that commitment to my customer, that commitment to me.
Been an agent since 2006, and I had my first experiences working with the underwriters and with the company then, but I actually have had experience with Grange for a long time, my whole life actually.
Christina is the daughter of one of the largest agents that I have, Cobos Insurance Center. I had worked with her father, Bob, for almost 13 years now. And then when Christina graduated from college, she came into the agency.
Grange's ease of doing business, they are one of the industry leaders. You can get a quote on their auto or home product in a matter of minutes. And on top of that, their new products are extremely customizable. So it's no longer one box fits all. The most valuable thing that Grange provides their independent agent is access to their underwriter. A one-on-one direct line to somebody who's going to help you if you're in a pinch.
She called me a lot. She'd ask me a lot of questions.
Cindy is the best thing that's happened to our agency and to me personally, because she's always there for you.
Probably about 2 weeks ago, she called and said, she goes, I don't have to call you as much anymore. And I said, I know. And I said, and I kind of miss you calling me, because that's the kind of relationship that we've built over the last 12 years.
Started with a phone call from Val Owens. She told me that a local agency had sold to a local bank in our community, 2 miles from our home office, and the bank intended on putting an insurance agency in all of the branches. She asked how I felt about that since they had a Grange appointment, and I told her that that would put us at a disadvantage, and from where I sat, I thought it commoditized the Grange brand. And Grange decided at that point not to appoint the bank. From Grange's perspective, by deciding not to appoint that other agency, they were going to lose business and they were going to lose money. So I was impressed that they still made that decision to prove that the franchise value was so important to Grange. It's easy to say it, it's another when you deliver on it. And I can tell you, of all the insurance companies that we represent, I've not had another insurance company offer us that accommodation, let alone follow through on something like that.
It's a special relationship. It's not about what can you do for me? It's how can we help each other? With Grange, we don't want to be a commodity. I don't want to be another mouth to feed and just another company in their lineup. We want to be a partner.
I believe that we're on the same page in terms of what our purpose is and what we're trying to do. So the basis of trust is established there.
Building key relationships is absolutely critical to Grange's strategy. We want to develop deeper, more impactful relationships with you, our partners. Whether it's online, on the phone, or face-to-face, we're there for you whenever you need us.
I would tell somebody who is interested in partnering with Grange or interested in buying a product that it would be one of the best decisions that they ever made.
And that's one of the great things about Grange. They can make good on that promise that they have for the customer as well as the agent.
You and Grange, committed, connected partners.